And they're going, no, if you hold your finger like that, might be
28 shortly inbound to London Luton. Flight time this evening is 5 hours and 39 minutes and an expected final cruising altitude of 36,000 feet. Smooth weather en route and generally pleasant weather in London this evening. Clear skies and temperatures of 9 degrees Celsius. And it'll shortly be pushing back in approximately 10 minutes from now. So on behalf of the entire crew and Captain Tudor, we offer you a very warm welcome on board again. Sit back, relax and enjoy your journey with us. And thank you for choosing to fly with us this evening.
Cabin crew boarding is completed. Ladies and gentlemen, boarding for the flight to London Luton Airport is now completed. Please take your seat or remain seated so that we can start with the preparation for our takeoff. From this moment on, all your electronic devices should be in flight mode or switch off for the whole duration of the flight. Thank you.
Deocamdată nu, dar aștept să văd dacă mai vine, că ar fi o persoană. Però si separa de 3 ori. Înseamnă că nu. Nu, că pe aia 3 a mutat. Dar gen ar mai fi pe partea asta. Ciccio, rimasto un cambio. Rimasto un cambio. Let's wait a bit. I don't want to wait.
What? No, don't show what it's like.
No se entiende nada. ¿Qué tiene que hacer? Mamá, ¿qué cosa?
That one's got it.
Ladies and gentlemen, once again we kindly ask you to please remain seated so that we can start with the preparation for our takeoff. Thank you. Cabin crew, those in flight and crew check please.